Hello, how's it going? Today we're going to be talking about normal maps and what they actually are. Before I get into it, if you're interested in art stuff or game art stuff in general, this is what I do in this channel, so feel free to destroy that subscribe button and or like. I'm not sure what they do, but I appreciate it. So what exactly is a normal map? Well, normal maps in simple terms are basically just textures that give the like an object a sense of depth. If that makes any sense? And it should be coming on screen right now. You should be able to see with this brick texture. So as you can see, it's basically like a sheet of paper, which is a plane, right? Like for the 3D. And then when you add that text to a normal map, it gives you that sense of depth where it looks like the brick itself has like the grooves and cracks and whatnot, but again, it's really just like a sheet of paper with that texture. And here I'm trying to show that with the light source changing, then you can tell, I guess, the different effects that it has. So normal maps are very dependent on light sources in general. So it depends like which way you light it, whether or not the normal map is going to be effective. And generally, when it's something like floor, it's super easy to fake the detail because no one's like really looking super close at the floor. Now I've added the other, I guess, rest of the textures, which is the albedo, normal map, all those things, to, I guess, create the full texture. And here you have that here you can see that I have like 4 different textures. What's it called? With the brick, dirt, and then wood beams, and then the wood planks. And all of those come from the same base object, which is like that flat sheet of paper, which is blank until you start adding the textures, right? And that's the versatility of normal maps and how they work. So because of the way that I sculpted these and made these, you can use it in any configuration, anything. And right now I'm taking out all the other layers that aren't the normal maps, so you can see. And just, I guess, to really hammer in the point, it's still just like a flat sheet of paper, but with the normal map itself, now it looks like it's so much more than that. And there's going to be some very specific examples right now when I finish putting on the textures again. Now when I'm moving the light, like in the logs and whatnot, it's a lot easier to see the way that they work and the light behaves and with the bounces and reflections as you would expect from something that's like rounded, as opposed to like the flat sheet of paper that it is in reality. The reason why stuff like this is made or employed in games, it's because it saves on resources, so you don't have to have like 1,000 logs when you can have like, or 1,000 logs that's composed out of like, let's say, I don't know, 600 polys each log, and that makes the game have to do a lot more processing. But instead you could just have something that's literally 2 polys, which is 2 triangles that make up the square, and that gives it the effect of having a whole bunch more logs. Alright, so I hope that was in-depth enough, or like a very, I guess, surface level sort of explanation of what a normal map is. And if you have any comments, questions, or maybe they didn't do a great job explaining it, feel free to let me know in the comments. Well, catch you later. Bye.